Today I am going to embroider this simple leaf design. For this portion of the leaf, I have taken a shaded pink thread and I am going to do simple satin stitch. I will only do simple satin stitch. For the different parts of the leaf, I am going to use different shades of thread. After completing these two sections using shaded pink thread, I have taken shaded maroon thread to do this and this portion. The same stitch, satin stitch. Do not leave too much gap between two stitches. After completing this portion using shaded maroon thread, I will just put a few sequins over here. Simple, put it through the needle and put the needle down. That's all. For doing this portion, only this portion, I have used shaded yellow thread and the same stitch, same satin stitch. For all the divisions, I am going to use satin stitch using different shades of thread. Only for the center line over here, I am going to use a different stitch. For these two divisions, I have taken a shaded brown thread. Again, the same stitch, the satin stitch for these two divisions. Simple satin stitch. For the last two divisions, I am going to use a shaded green thread and the same stitch I am going to do, which is the satin stitch. The same stitch I will do. I have taken 3 strands of thread, and this is a shaded green thread. After completing the satin stitch, the center line over here, I am going to do stem stitch. I have taken a dark green thread and 3 strands. Stem stitch. The thread should be on your left hand side and just take small stitches. That is all. After completing the center line with stem stitch, I have done satin stitch for this portion, and I have also put some sequins over here. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.